All right, if you've been into the store lately, there's no doubt that you've noticed the aisles are better stocked than they were about a couple months ago. It's easier to find things like toilet paper, cleaning supplies, even yeast for baking. NBC's Dan Sheneman takes a look at how the supply chain got back on track.
Food started to disappear from grocery shelves, and retailers were forced to limit the quantities of certain products. The supply chain was shaken. Nearly 7 months later, Americans have stopped stockpiling, and shelves are mostly full.
Doesn't mean that there aren't some hiccups and stoppages here and there.
Industry expert Hughes says manufacturers jumped in to do their part.
Anybody that's had access to food has continued to have access to food. The big piece where we see the most struggle is traditional proteins, so meat and poultry, where just the conditions of that production environment.
So you think about the meat industry, 20,000 individuals infected or sick. A lot of safety protocols have been instilled in a lot of these facilities.
Global packaging giant R.A Jones believes one of the biggest changes since COVID-19 is the manufacturing process itself.
We're noticing a lot of our manufacturers and customers that we're supporting are really going to their less customized products.
Different products, different packages for different times.
So the size of the package changes, the shipments changes, the supply goes from, instead of going to restaurants, it goes to supermarkets. So it puts a large stress on the supply chain because it has to change the logistics of it.
Changing and adapting to ensure consumers have what they need in uncertain times. Dan Sheneman, NBC News.